my intention is to teach you or to explain about degrees of comparison. One of the 2-mark questions what you are going to get in 10th standard examination. And there are 5 2-mark questions based on grammar, and among the 5 3 will be asked in the examination. And those 5 2-mark questions belongs to grammar are degrees of comparison, report of speech, it is also called as direct and indirect speech, transformation of sentences, transforming sentences into simple, compound and complex sentences, and like the same what we call if clause conditionals, and the last one use of conjunctions. These are the 5 2-mark questions what you may get in the examination. Among those 5 2-mark questions based on grammar, 3 will be asked as a 2-mark question. Hope you understand. See, among these 5 grammatical portions, what you get in 10th standard examination, this is the easiest one to be learned and to be taught to. Do you understand? This portion is easy to learn, though it's a 2-mark question, easy to teach to. Hope you understand. Listen, degrees of comparison. What is degrees of comparison? It belongs to adjectives and adverbs, and you know very well, adjectives can be used in different ways. Adjectives in the sense maybe the positive adjectives or comparative or superlative. Adjectives can be used in different ways when they compare to the nouns, and they are called degrees of comparison. You might have already learned the 3 degrees are like positive, comparative and superlative. Good, better, best, bad, ways and worst, great, greater, greatest. In the same manner, all you might have learned in small classes about these 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. Here, degrees of comparison in the sense adjectives can be used in different ways when they compare to the nouns, and they are called degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. At the starting of the class, I told you it is very easy to learn, because I can teach you in a simple manner. This portion is simple manner. Just learn the structure of a sentence in each degrees. That's enough. No need to think about even tenses. The only thing what you want to learn the structure of a sentence in each degrees. Here I have mentioned already, listen, positive degree, and one more thing, for your comfortability, the same portion, it is further classified into 2, situation 1 and the situation 2, lest you will be in confusion. Hope you understand. For your comfortability, the same portion, degrees of comparison, I myself classified into 2, and they are situation 1 and the situation 2. First we discuss about situation 1. In the sense, we must understand the structure of a sentence in each degrees based in situation 1. Hope you understand. Listen, in situation 1, positive degree starts from no other followed by object, then helping verb, plus as, plus positive form of the adjective, plus as, and finally subject. This is the structure of a sentence in positive degree, situation 1. Hope you understand. Listen, always positive degree has to be mentioned in between. The positive form of the adjective must be mentioned in between as and as in positive degree. And you know very well, positive degree will be used in a sentence which expressed in positive degree. Positive form of the adjective, as I told you, the base form, it must be used in positive degree in between as and as. For example, as good as fast as long as beautiful as. Hope you understand. The positive form of the adjective must be written in between as and as. I repeat, the structure belongs to positive degree in situation 1. The sentence must start from no other followed by object, helping verb, as plus positive form of the adjective plus as and finally subject. For example, listen. One simple example I should show you. No other storm is as hard as diamond. This sentence expressed in positive degree, and that is in situation 1. Sentence starts from no other followed by object storm, then helping verb, and then as hard as. The positive form had is used in between as and finally subject. This is the structure of a sentence which is in positive degree, situation 1. And see, next we are coming to comparative degree. In comparative degree, the structure, we must start the sentence from subject followed by helping verb, then comparative form of the adjective plus 3 words. Than, any other is not then, it is than, than, than any other, and finally object. I repeat, in comparative degree, especially in situation 1, the sentence starts from subject followed by helping verb, then comparative form of the adjective plus than, any other, and finally object. So we can change the same sentence which I mentioned in positive degree. I can change the same sentence to comparative. As I told you, as per the structure, comparative degree starts from subject. The subject is diamond. Diamond. Then next is helping verb, is. Then comparative form of the adjective. The positive form is hard. So the comparative form is harder because this adjective has only one syllable. The adjective with the one syllable add er in comparative degree and est in superlative degree. So we can add er. So we get the comparative form. Diamond is harder. Then 3 words, than any other. Than any other. Than any other, and finally object, and that is strong. So the comparative form is diamond is harder than any other stone. See the structure: subject diamond, helping verb is, then comparative form of the adjective, and that is harder, followed by 3 words than any other, and finally object stone. Coming to superlative degrees. Too easy, listen. In superlative degree also, the sentence must start from subject, and subject you know very well, diamond. Then helping verb, and that is. And here next the article the. In situation 1, before the superlative adjective, before the highest form, we must add the article the. Hope you understand. Only in situation 1, before the superlative adjective, what must be added? The. Diamond is the. Then superlative adjective, hard, positive, harder, comparative, and the superlative form will be hardest, and finally object. So the superlative form of the sentence is diamond is the hardest stone. As I told you, the only one thing you want to do being a student, you must learn the structure of a sentence in each degree. Clearly it is mentioned there. Positive degree starts from no other, followed by object, then helping verb, then as plus positive form of the adjective, plus as finally subject. Just imagine here, see here, as hard as. The positive form must be written in between as and as. In comparative degree, subject, helping verb, comparative form of strong. And in superlative degree, subject, helping verb, the plus superlative, adjective, and finally object. So the sentences, diamond is the hardest stone. Hope you understand. In the next class, I shall explain situation 2. Now